Hi everyone. So today's problem of the day is delete the middle node of a linked list. What is given in description? You are given the head of a linked list. Delete the middle node and return the head of the modified linked list. And the middle node of a linked list of size n is the n by 2 node from the start using zero-based indexing, where this parenthesis of x denotes the largest integer less than or equals to x. For n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, the middle nodes are 0, 1, 1, 2, and 2 respectively. Suppose my in case of my odd number of nodes, suppose it is 4, then the index that I want to remove will be 4 by 2 equals to second index based on the zero based indexing. That means it will be the third node of the linked list. And if I will consider the even number of nodes, 5, suppose my n equals to 5, then what I will do 5 by 2, that will be 2.5. Then that 2.5, I need to take the largest possible integer possible. So it will be 2. So 2 means I need to delete the second index node based on the zero based indexing. So if I will see the first example, it is given 1, 3, 4, 7, 1, 2, 6. This is a list. Then what I need to this is a linked list. Then what I need to do, I need to remove the middle element. To remove the middle element, I need to find the number of nodes. So if I will see here, the number of nodes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 7 by 2 we will do. 7 by 2 will be 3.5. What will be the largest integer in this? Largest integer will be 3. So we need to remove the third index. And the list is starting from zeroth index. So so 0, 1, 2, 3. This is my like third index. So we need to remove that. So my answer will be 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 6. The remaining list will be same, and we can return this head pointer. So to understand it more, we will see for the second example. Second example, what we have done, 1, 2, it is given. Then the number of nodes we will find first. The number of nodes will be 4. We will do 4 by 2. 4 by 2 will be 2. So we need to, on the basis of zero indexing, we need to delete the second index node. So what will be the answer? 1, 2. This we will delete. Then 4. So we can return directly this. And if we will see the constraint it is given number of nodes in the list is in the range 1 till 10 to the power 5. Like minimum one node will be present and maximum it can go till 10 to the power 5, and the value can be in the range 1 to 10 to the power 5. So this is the linked list problem. So linked list problem is, for the solution, we just what we need to do, we need to first find a number of nodes. Then we need to find the index doing n by 2. We will find the index that we need to remove, and then we will using the previous pointer, we will try to reach till this index. If we will reach this index, then we will skip this index. We will the previous pointer we will point. If this is my list 1, 2, 3, 4, then if I will reach this pointer, then this will be suppose my previous, and this I will use integer used to see which current index which what is my current index. If this will be equals to my index, then what I can do, I can be make this second next will be equals to 4. Mm, previous next equals to previous next to next. So if my 2 will be 4, then this will automatically be removed. So this will be my new list. If you have idea about the list, you will be able to understand. If you are not able to understand also, I can help you with the help of code directly, because this will be more understandable with the help of code only. Because there is no approach for this. Just it is easy. Just you know about how to use the linked list question, how to solve the linked list. So what I have done, since if there is some linked list, then for the previous, I need to point the previous to my head. And if I will point my previous, then for that, I need at least two nodes in my linked list. So initially only I am adding this condition that if my head equals to null and head next equals to null, what it is denoting? It is denoting my head equals to null. That means my list is empty. There is no node in my list. Or if there is one node in my list, then in both case my if there is one, then obviously that node will be removed because we need to remove for n equals to 1. The index need to be removed equals to n by 2, that is 0. So this node will be removed. So in both these cases, if my number of nodes is 0 or 1, I can basically return null list. That means empty list. Then after this, what I will do, I will point my temp equals at the place of my head, and I can start finding the number of nodes in my list. So for that, I will use a while loop and will loop it until my temp is not equals to null. Until, because at the end there will obviously be null. So till my temp equals to null, I will do this n plus plus and temp equals to temp next. In this way, I will be able to find my number of nodes. If I am done finding my number of nodes, I will try to find the index. So instead of creating other integer, I am assuming my next n is my index. So I will do n equals to n by 2. Now my n equals to the index I need to remove after doing this n equals to n by 2. Now what I will do, I will use this int I equals to 1. So now I know that my answer for 0 and a number of nodes, if 0 and 1 are there, then it is already solved. So I need to find for n greater than 1. So for n greater than 1, what I can do, I can use this I equals to 1. That means I am currently at this index and my previous is pointing to this head, and I am currently at first index. So I will use this loop until my I is not equals to n. That means I will until I will reach the index I need to delete. Why I am using this previous and this I equals to 1, the current index, because the this pointer I need to remove. If I need to remove this first pointer only. If suppose my suppose my n equals to 2, number of nodes are 2, and after to find the index I will do n equals to n by 2, that is 2 by 2. So the index I need to remove is equals to 1. So initially only my I equals to 1. So I not equals to n, this will be false because I is 1 and n is also 1. So I will be out of my loop. If I will be out of my loop, what I need to do, I will do this previous. This previous is my first zeroth index node. So this first I will do previous ka next. This next pointer, I will change this to previous next to next. So previous next is this, and next of this will be 3. So this will be like this. So that's why I'm using this previous pointer to so that I can skip my next using this previous pointer. I can do previous next equals to previous next next so that I can skip this previous ka next wala node. I hope you are able to understand this. I'm trying my best to possible to make you understand if you are not aware much about the linked list also. And this I is my current index. So at the end, I can return my head and hope fully you will be able to understand why I'm not using this head to traverse, because at the end I need to return my head only, head of the modified list. If I will move my head, then my head pointer will change and I will not be able to reserve my this head to use it later, because at the end I need to return this modified head. So in this case, if you will see, the time complexity will be big of n, because we are using two loops, which both loops are of n time complexity and space complexity. Because we are using only list node, it is not depending on the number of nodes. So time complexity will be big of 1. If you are facing any problem finding the time complexity, like how to find and how to find the space complexity, then you can you can tell me in the comment section. I will try to help you out. Otherwise, I can I am explaining here also based on the loop, like in the input. If how the this time complexity is depending on the input is is what we need. What is the time complexity? So this loop is running n times, so my time complexity is n. It is time complexity is based on my input only. How much input, how input is changing, and on the basis of input, how my time will change. That is the time complexity, and how extra space we are utilizing. That is the space complexity based on the input. So in my case, it is big of one. Hope you understand the explanation. I tried best possible to make you understand. You can, if you like it, please share that in the comments so that I will be able to understand that my explanation are I'm able to explain you properly. So yeah, thank you.